finally a long-awaited reveal. What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm finally going to show you guys the new color for the FRS. I've had the car for, I want to say, almost a week now. I've been driving it around, putting my parts back on, my wheels, my carbon fiber trunk, because I actually took all of it off when I sent it in for paint. Oh my gosh, I am in love with how it looks now. The moment I put everything back on, I instantly fell in love. It just looks so good with the new color. The color literally matched my expectations. Like it just looks amazing. Now we're actually gonna get some rolling shots of the car with the new color and some like cinematic shots and stuff. We're not gonna waste time, guys. I know you guys have been waiting so long for the reveal, so I'm not even gonna like stretch it out to the end. We're just gonna get right into it. The new color is beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy. Here is the new color for the Rocket Bunny V3 FRS. It is insane. I literally cannot believe my car looks like this. Like, it is so different from the black. It's still weird to look at it. Like, it doesn't really look like my car. I'm so used to the black paint and running like the unpainted fenders and stuff, but seeing it in its like completed form right now is just crazy. It's unreal. I can't even like gather the thoughts of like how good it looks right now. Like I told you guys, a ton of you guys commented in the comment section below saying I was gonna paint my car red, and you guys were definitely right. I had to go with it. I had to go with the red. I felt like it would complement the wheels and the carbon trunk so well, and as you can see, in my opinion, it does. It's super aggressive. I actually decided to leave the roof black because I think it makes it look like 100 times more aggressive. Also, with the black mirrors as well, I left those. It just flows good. The black roof, 5% window tint on the back, and the carbon fiber trunk in the rear. It's honestly one of my most favorite views right here. With the black paint, you couldn't really tell the carbon fiber trunk was there in certain lightings, but obviously now, the car being red, clear as day, you can obviously tell there's a carbon fiber trunk there, and it looks so much better than the black. Also, please excuse the little headlight or tail light full of condensation. It actually rained here, and I forgot to tighten this tail light all the way, so a whole bunch of rainwater got behind the light, then on the inside of the tail light. So I actually got rid of all the water already. Just gotta wait till that goes away. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the new color. I was so used to the black paint that the car was previously. Like, I was driving around with no bumpers sometimes. It's pretty much just a work in progress for like a whole month. And driving it now with the new color and everything back on the car, it feels good. I do have a few things that we have yet to put on the car. Number one being tire letters. I actually ripped off the old ones in the rear because they were super dirty. A lot of them were peeling off. And I also needed tire letters for the fronts anyways because those are new. So I just got a brand new set that I actually have at home, which I'm actually probably gonna install once I finish this video. I love tire letters. You guys know that is one of my most favorite mods, is tire lettering. It's just a small little thing like that. It makes the car look so much better in my opinion. And I also love the way it gives off like a race car vibe. And we have yet to put on these little side pieces, which I actually left black. So that'll tie in along with the black mirrors, black roof, etc, etc. One thing before we end off today's video, I want to leave you guys off with a question. 50-50 in the middle of this, so this is why I want to leave it up to you guys to help me out on what I should do. So my kit came with this rubber trim that goes in between the wide body kit and the car. I'm stuck in the middle. I'm not too sure if I want to put it on. Originally I was planning on doing it like right off the bat, but seeing it now, I like the way it looks as it sits right now. But then again, I'm not too sure if I want to throw the rubber molding on since I already have it at home anyways. So what do you think? Do you think it'll tie in with the rest of the car, or do you think that'll be like too much black going on? I'll leave that up to you guys. If you guys want me to throw that on the car, then I will 100% put it on. But if you guys think it should stay off, then I'll be fine with just leaving it off of the car. So yeah, just leave your opinions down in the comment section below on what I should do with the rubber trim. It's kind of a hard decision. It looks good as it sits, like I said, but we'll just see. Sometime soon, I'm gonna run to Home Depot and grab some type of mesh for the side vents right here. Paint those black as well, and the front bumper actually has these tabs as well for some type of mesh, but I'm actually gonna leave it off on the front. I think it looks way better without the mesh on the front bumper. I've seen it before on other cars and I'm not too much of a fan of it, honestly. I like the way it sits without the mesh on the front bumper. Also because we have one more thing to add to the front end that I think will tie in the whole look. So yeah guys, I think I covered everything on the new reveal for the FRS. One last look before we end today's video. It's crazy guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below of the new look for the FRS. Paint job number, like, I don't even know, so I had, let me count. So the gray, blue, black. This is the 5th paint job, I think. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys liked the little edit that I did in the beginning. I'm not like a crazy editor when it comes to like little scenes and cinematics like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed regardless. Give this video a huge thumbs up for the new color on the car. This car gives me like the biggest smile on my face whenever I drive it. Like, I'm just so happy that we actually completed the whole wide body kit and got this thing in one color, because it's been a while. It's been like almost a month of just non-stop working on this car to get it to this point, and I'm not missing like bumpers or having an unpainted kit and whatnot. So yeah, as always, I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Hope each and every single one of you guys has a good rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.